everyone, this is Maria Gracia Vlogs here. So we're back at it again with a new video. So this video is more of a vlog type video. We recently visited a tourist spot named Storforsen Waterfalls. So I'm gonna go ahead and write what that spelled like over here. It's a really beautiful waterfall, and it's very powerful too. It's connected in Pite River, and the closest city to it, the closest big city to it, is Alston. I was lucky enough to be able to take a few clips, videos of when we visited that place, so I'm gonna go ahead and show them to you today. I know I haven't been posting a lot the past couple of weeks. As you know from my previous video, it's because I recently just moved from the Philippines to Sweden, so I'm still getting acquainted with everything and trying to fix a few things as well personally for my stay here. So definitely I'll try to post more videos as much as possible so that I can give you guys more content. I really appreciate the continuous growth of our YouTube channel. So if we're ready, let's go ahead and proceed with the video.
这一次我真的睡着了。 这一次我真的睡着了。
That's really big. That's super strong.
这一次我真的睡着了。